Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your internet browser, then tap here, go to its history, then tap clear browsing data. So you can perform a basic data browsing data delete, or you can perform advanced browsing data erase. So firstly you have to select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill form data, and also site settings. And after that, tap clear data. Clear. And as you can see, history is now clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.